customer and you're coming to check in your vehicle, we do sanitize the vehicle before it gets to our technicians, and then we have our technicians and our management staff sanitize it the same way before we give it back to you. So we spray the door handles. This is a Quattro 78 plus disinfectant germicide. It's recommended by the Government of Canada to kill any and all viruses that we're dealing with these days. We spray all the touch points on the vehicle, the common ones, door handles, armrests. We go over the steering wheel very well. And of course, shifter, armrests inside. We also sanitize the keys before we give them to the technician and before we give them back to you. And we also don't forget to do the hood latch, which is a common thing. It gets touched when your vehicle's getting worked on. And then we'll put a safety sleeve on your seat as well, so that there's a barrier between the technician and your seat. We do all the same disinfecting before you get it back.